Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I have a P.Louise budget box unboxing video for you all today. This box is the February box, so the February budget box. Not relevant to this video, but if anybody is wondering, this is the Joni Natural History Museum dress that I got and that I featured in my New Life haul. I'm going to do what I usually do, show you the things, talk a little bit about them, and then share my overall thoughts on the individual box at the end of the video. I have mixed feelings on this box, but I'm just saying that at the beginning anyway. So this is what the box looks like. So we have got a couple more products in this month's box than the products that we usually get. Now I have been using two of the products, so I will start by showing them and talk a little bit about them. This box was very skincare heavy. This is the first product. This is P.Louise Skin and it is a watermelon face wash. It looks like that. I don't know how well the camera is focusing, but it is pink packaging, and then it has this little scrubby thing on the front. You can also take it off. Now as you can see, hopefully, I have been using, I've got it about there, I have been using this since I have gotten the box, just to see how my skin has gotten on with it. My skin has gotten on fine with it. I wouldn't say it's an amazing product, it's just a pretty standard foam facial cleanser, if I'm honest. It's not broke me out, it's not made my skin any worse or any better. It smells like artificial watermelon sweets when you first pump it into your hands, but then when you disperse it on your face, the smell dissipates. The second product is this, which is the Make It Melt Mango Makeup Melter. It looks like this, and this is the other skincare product that I have been using. This is a makeup remover. Looks like this, and I have been using this, as you can see. This is a very good product. This is very similar to the Body Shop Chamomile Cleansing Butter. I would argue that this is ever so slightly even better. This has a similar consistency to coconut oil, and this does emulsify makeup a lot easier than the Body Shop one. But this one, I did check on the website, is a bit more expensive than the Body Shop one, but this I really like, and again, this hasn't broken me out. So they were the first two skincare products and the products that I have been using. So the next product is this. This is the P.Louise Skin Jelly Makeup Remover. It looks like this. I've not opened this, but that is what it looks like, and this is in the scent watermelon. We then have this, which is the P.Louise Face Moisturiser. It's a plumping moisturiser in the scent pineapple. Again, this is brand new, I've not opened this yet. For these two products, I think I may pass these on, only because I'm a bit apprehensive about using them, because my skin is quite sensitive, so I don't really like to try different skincare products. I did try, as I said, the makeup remover and the face wash, only because these two products I feel like are not on your skin as on like a makeup remover. You just put it on to remove your makeup, then wash it off. Same with the face cleanser. It's not on your skin a huge amount of time. Whereas I feel like with a moisturiser, it's more likely it could have a reaction because you leave this on your skin longer. And I'm on the fence about the jelly makeup remover, if my skin will get on with it or not. The next two products we have are two pairs of eyelashes. So the first pair we have is called Deep Down Diva. Looks like this. These are definitely a much more dramatic pair. And the second pair we have are called Fairy Fluff. I much prefer this pair. What's nice about both of these pairs is that they do come with glue. I'm more likely to probably just wear this pair. Again, I'll probably pass this pair on. I don't think I'll realistically wear that pair, but it's good, I guess, that you've got a more natural pair and a more dramatic pair. And then the last product we got, which I think is the best product in this box, is It's Giving Princess, and it is a lip oil trio set. So in this set we have Spoiled Sparkle, Crystal Queen, Tiara Topaz, and these are all watermelon scented, so the same scent of this face wash, a very sweet, like artificial watermelon scent. So just to recap before I share my overall thoughts, we got the It's Giving Princess lip trio set, we got the P.Louise Jelly Makeup Remover in watermelon, we got the P.Louise Skin Plumping Moisturiser, we got the Fairy Fluff More Natural pair of lashes, we got the P.Louise Deep Down Diva, the more dramatic pair of lashes, and both those lashes do come with lash glue, so that's good. We then have the P.Louise Make It Melt Makeup Remover, and then we have the P.Louise Watermelon Face Wash. So in total we have 7 products. My overall thoughts on this box, this isn't my favourite box. I would argue this is probably actually my least favourite box so far, purely because in this box we've gotten a lot of skincare and it is a budget box subscription, but I feel like because it's P.Louise, typically we expect to see more makeup than skincare. There are some things in here definitely that I will use, and like I say, the things that I don't use I will pass on to someone who I think would use them, so it's not a big issue and you can always do that. With the P.Louise boxes, if you get products you won't use, you can give them along to someone who may use them or may like them. But me personally, I don't love this box. I don't love the fact that it is a predominantly skincare heavy box. I would prefer to have seen makeup, but I have been thoroughly impressed with all the other boxes. And with any box, there is a chance that I won't like everything in it, for that reason, the fact that it is a really skincare heavy box. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my review and me talking a little bit about the products. If you got this box, let me know your thoughts and what you thought of it. I have seen the upcoming box for next month, which is the Easter themed box. I am excited for that. I do know it has been released where you can order it, even if you're not doing the, you know, monthly subscription. You can order it and you can pick your shade. I do know if you did do the monthly subscription like I'm doing, you can't actually pick your shade, so I'm really hopeful that it comes in the shade that I need it to, so I can use the products as they're intended to be used. But again, I won't know that until I get that, so I'm excited for that box, but I'm hopeful they get it right in terms of the shades I need. So yes, that has been my review on the P.Louise budget box for the month of February. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you got this box, let me know your thoughts and I'll speak to you all in my next video. So until then, goodbye guys!